Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about Pundi X. How much FX tokens will I get by staking? Now, if you guys want to stay up to date with Pundi X videos, crypto videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Now, we're just going to jump right into it. The staking amount is calculated daily, as Pundi X will take random daily snapshots. So what does this mean for us? It means that if you have 10,000 NPXS and decide to add an extra 10,000 to the staking process, that the newly added NPXS tokens won't go into effect until 24 hours after the deposit is successfully completed. So what does this mean? Let's say, for example, that you received your daily FX tokens for that day an hour ago. That means that if you decide to add an extra 10,000 NPXS to stake an hour after you received your daily FX tokens, that means that 10,000 will actually not take into effect till the next day. So basically, if you decide that you want to add extra NPXS tokens to staking, make sure you do it before you receive your daily FX tokens for that day, or just do it before the staking officially begins and you should be fine. But anyways, with that being said, withdrawing or depositing new NPXS tokens after the staking officially begins will affect the amount of FX tokens that you will receive. And now we're gonna talk quickly about something that a lot of people have been wondering about, and that is basically how much FX tokens will you get by staking this amount or that amount. Now, your FX tokens equals total NPXS, NPXSM allocated for staking times 0.00000493%. So basically that means, for example, let's say you have 10,000 NPXS, right? And you're staking it. That means that 10,000 NPXS will get you 0.00492 FX daily. Now, if you have 100,000 NPXS, it will get you 0.05 FX daily. And I mean, that pretty much covers it. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys were really focused and wondering about the percentage that you will receive by staking a set amount, and there you guys have it. But I am more than gladly will do the calculation for you guys. Just comment below how much you think you might want to stake, and I'll tell you around how much you will receive on a daily basis. And now that pretty much does it for this video, guys. But if you have any comments, any suggestions for my next video, even, just leave that all in the comments below. If you didn't understand something of this video fully, then leave that in the comments below, and I will reply to you and get to it as quickly as I can. And now, guys, again, thank you all so much for watching, and thank you for staying tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video.